my favorite bus. SMB 1407P. Ooh, double decker 95. Ayom. Bisa environment too. And the MMC. I want to shoot the double deck. Got it. Double decker service 95. SG 5888K. 5 double. Okay. 5878K. Nice. Now down the 95 GD. There it goes. Had you seen one on 95? Cameo maybe? Oh, I like this brand. But I don't see any buses so far. Well, yeah, it is raining. Cats and dogs. And I'm literally stuck around here for a moment. This is this is somewhere around block. Yeah, it's right beside the community club, and I'm just doing some random bus spotting. Haven't seen any rare buses so far except the double deck on service 95. That might be considered cameo, but I don't see any buses over there. Yeah, nope, buses. Not on here either. Let's just wait. Okay, CN 3070. That's it, 3070. Yeah, that's an express bus anyway. Oh, actually, I think I see a bus. Do you see one? I see one behind the shrubs. I think, yeah, that's a bus. Oh my god, almost forgot to film it. Oh, Mercedes-Benz. SMB 69M. Oh, I just saw this on 176 today. And just to let you know, these buses are getting retired next year, which this year's 2025, next year's 2026, and they're gonna be retired by the end of next year. Remember, this is 822 on service 307. Yeah, I think this was actually very nice. Okay, there we go. So far the bus spotting have been quite okay. Not much rare buses. Yeah, I mean right now OC 500 LEs, the Mercedes-Benz now, are starting to become my favorite buses after I found out that they're gonna get retired very soon. In fact, SMB 1H and SMB 4A is already retired. Like they were sent to scrap already, if you didn't know that. Oh, 3070. Oh my gosh. Pretty nice spot actually. I just saw the OC 500 LE go. Don't know if you see in the very far end, but the 82 is about to turn. Let's wait for it. Oh, wait, there goes a truck, followed by the 82. Yeah, there it is. Turning into the small little lane. Yep, I really like this place. Let me just view. Nice view, you can see that way. Let's see if there's any more buses coming up. I don't know. From here, so far until now. See a B90 coming at the very far end. Don't know if you can see it. You can try to see the little head. Okay, and now 500 MMC. Oh wait, they one got a back ad behind it. Oh wait, I think I see the B90 coming. I think yeah, not coming. Yeah, I see the EDS of the B90 moving. That's mean that it's coming. Yeah, I see. Oh, it's a Mercedes. Oh, it's a Mercedes. Let's see, what plate is this one? SMB 6U. Oh, wait, this is the oldest one. The SMB 6U. Oh. See that guys, this is the plate SMB6U. I know this is the one with the very hard to see ADS at the back. Because ADS is quite worn out, if you can see that. And there is a 985 SMB1645T. This is the B90L, as I said earlier. Come on, my goal is to see my favorite SG557 GT. Come on, don't see it. Oh, I didn't take notice. It's SMB39A on 975 again. Oh, okay. Yep, 2 green buses at Shorty Community Club bus stop. And there we go. There goes the 2 buses. The 2 little greens. Oh wait. The OC 500 is still there too. Okay. I don't know, but I see another Zion B90L hiding at the very back. And the manager too. Okay. So this is a bunching. Wait, let me just go back to my favorite spot. Okay, here it is. This is B90L coming. Oh wait, look, 307T. The manager too. Yeah, that was talking about. Oh, sorry. I'm not looking up shit. I'm more like looking on the other side. See that if SG557 GT or Bentley bus shows up. Okay, there goes SMB39A. You can see go. Here comes the B90L on service 190. This video is also for my 190 subscriber special. I mean, but it might be a bit late by the time I upload it. It depends. So, SG5560Y. Oh, this is the one with the SMRT app. One of the few with the SMRT app. But not all of them got most of them are like the SBS red color sticker. But then this one's the white color one, which is the normal, original. See something. 307 again. SMB 3112K. What's spotting so good? Yeah. Sorry about the shaky video. I'm not even focusing though. Oh, first ADL. SG6340S. Oh, IO. Finally we got ADL, but that's not my main target. The main target is Rojak B90L or let's see, a Bentley bus. Wait, what's that? That's a Man 82 again. Come on. You see it in the very back. Let's just go back. The Volvo's going out. Why did it take so long? It literally took like 1 whole minute. I really can't stand this rain though. But as I was saying, back to the bus spotting. Let's see what we can find. Although if I'm posting this video on my other account, on this account, Bashley is for my other account, which is the Eugene and the Bishop. The W1 is just basically my small account that where I use all my green screen with my train and bus videos, like this one. Oh wait, there's the 82 985. Finally, SMB 1408L, one of my reppies of the 82. And SMB 1407P's sister. I mean, yeah, basically sister. Actually, no, brother. And when I'm going out, I want to shoot that giant plant. Look at this thing. I think it's beautiful. I really love it. Look at those. Look at this leaf. But now let's go back to the bus party. Yeah, this is not my house area. My house is a lot further away. So you can see the 82. Yeah, any of you know what block is this? Oh. Okay. I think I just heard the horn. By SMB 1408L. The brother of my absolute man 82 rappy that this time we saw earlier on. Let me see. Don't see anything. Yeah, nothing. Guys, it's just sometimes that we need to wait like this for a lot of boring amount of hours. Wait, no, not hours, just a boring amount of minutes. The rain's starting to lower down, so this video might end soon, but Yeah, I mean, this video is basically called Buses in the Rain near Choa Chu Kang Community Club. That's what I'm going to be naming it, but so far so nothing. Yeah, just a nice view. Finally, 207 should be SMB due on 12K. Since just now I just saw it. And I am right, SMB due on 12K. Come on, please. I really want to see SMB3 AAS or Bendy Bus on Service 190 or if not SG5573T, the Rojak B90L in Choa Chu Kang. But yeah, it's actually SMB3 AAS having a 190 for this whole entire month so far. So I just hope that I can still see it. Hopefully still on Service 190. Don't see any other buses. 307T. I haven't seen any 307A so far. Will it even come here? For to go to my favorite spot. Okay, here we go. Whew. And here's a regular 307. Okay. I'm out right now. SMB 313H. Wow, it's literally right over there. Okay. I accidentally cut it out, but yeah. It just went off. And horn. Give a spare horn. Oh, the handle. First another Mercedes Benz. What's this? SMB 65 set. So there it goes. I really like Mercedes Benz now to these days. Careful not to step on any snails, they are on the floor. What? The other one just went. The SMB, the 56, actually no, 65. This is SMB 667. SMB 67. SMB 6070. Oh, let's go, guys. 67. It's SMB 6070. I like to call SMB 67. 67. Yeah, that was so funny. But now I still don't wrap it up yet. Look at this giant monstera. But B90L so far. First B90L coming this way. What's this one? SG5596C. I think I saw this just now. Was it the... Yep, it's when the SMRT sticker about the please give away. Yeah guys, you can see that. See the white color sticker? That's totally SMRT. I wanna go see the other side. There it goes. Loud motor. Loud engine sound. Okay, it's gone. I don't see other side buses. Oh my god, so many Mercedes Benz in just like maybe around in the 30-minute mark of 12. Oh, 370. I wanted to walk over to see what bus was that. ADR 500, SMB 504AR. There we go. Okay, I'm out in the open because I just saw Mercedes Benz. Here is SMB 13 set. Okay, but I better quickly go into the shelter. But I just saw 982. Oh, this spot actually is pretty nice. Look at that, we can just see a lot of stuff. Yeah, guys. Actually, I like this spot, guys. Nice. Here comes some double 82s. This is a 95. Oh, and a 3070. They're both pixel. Yeah, guys. But I'm going to add Sherlock Pixel and 82 bunching. I see a bus coming. Is it Enviro 500 or Enviro 500? No, I'm about to go back in. I want to see a Man 82, Man 84, then I will come out. Now we got 3 pixel buses. Oh my gosh. And oh my, look at them. They just hunch up like that. Literally times 3 pixel buses, all pixel. Not a single, like the height with the red and white, the red and black. Sorry. White, red and white, yeah. Red and black, white, whatever. So there goes all 3. I mean, not all 3 though. See like a bus. And it's able to do. Oh come on. But at least it's that's gonna be 313H from just now, but at least it's finally this red and white livery, not to the pixels. Because I have had too many pixels for breakfast. Just kidding, but yeah, pretty much. Why is it going so slow to a snail? Oh, there we go. There goes the pixel. There goes the pixel in Ryo 500. Yes, because there's a lush green in Ryo 500 too. Okay, guys, last OC 500 LE SMB41S. But yeah, guys, I will see you on the next episode, guys. Bye, and like and subscribe to my main channel, Eugene and the Bishop.